In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to start an LLC in Illinois. If you've been thinking about launching a business here, you've probably seen all kinds of conflicting information. Some sites make it sound as simple as paying $150, while others add confusing extra steps or push services that promise to handle it all for you. With so much noise, it's really easy to feel super overwhelmed. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and in this video, I'm going to break it all down in order. I'll show you each step so you know exactly what to do, and I'll explain a couple of my favorite services that really fit in if you'd like to not handle all the paperwork yourself. By the end, you'll know the real costs, the mistakes to avoid, and how to keep your LLC in good standing year after year. Step number 1. Choosing and checking your LLC name. The first step is choosing a business name. In Illinois, your name has to be unique and it must include LLC or limited liability company. And you can't use restricted words like bank or insurance unless you have special approval. So to check availability, what you'll do is go to the Illinois Secretary of State's website and use their business entity search tool. So all you would do is start a new search. For example, let's just say Windy City Consulting, LLC, business name, submit. Okay, as you can see, that's already taken. So you'd have to search again and find a new name. If the name is available, you can move forward right away or reserve it for 90 days with a $25 fee. Just as a quick example, just imagine you're starting a wellness coaching business and you want to name it Glow with LLC. When you search the database, you might find that Glow Within Coaching LLC already exists. Even though the wording is slightly different, Illinois could still reject your filing if it's too close to another business name. By catching that now, you can save yourself time and money by adjusting to something like Glow Within Wellness LLC or Glow Within Chicago LLC, whatever it may be. The next step is appointing your registered agent. Every Illinois LLC must have one. So this is a person or company who will receive official mail and legal documents on behalf of your business, and they must have a physical address in Illinois. You can be your own registered agent, but that means your name and address will be on public record, and you have to be available during business hours. For many business owners, that isn't ideal. Let's take our Glow Within example. If you're running the business from home and you act as your own registered agent, your personal home address will be searchable online. That might not feel comfortable, especially if your clients are local. Instead, using a service like Northwest, which gives you the first year of registered agent service for free and protect your privacy and ensure you don't miss important state documents. If you want to get started with Northwest, I do have an exclusive link down in the description for you. So once you click that link, as you can see, it's $39 business formation service. You can form your LLC today, so you'll click Get Started. From here, you will select LLC, and then you can choose your state. As you can see, the business formation service filing options, they've got the standard, which is $154 in 10 days, or expedited in 3 days, which is $256. The basic package is $39, and this includes the registered agent service and the filing service fee. And then the 10 days processing is the $154, and then the business identity and renewal service is included. So that's $0. So what you will do next is go ahead and type in what you want your business name to be, and then you can select if you'd like it to send a copy of lawsuit and legal notices to your attorney. You can say no or yes. Physical address you want on record with the state, you can say your mailing address. Again, if you don't want to have your own, you probably feel safer using someone else's. And then mailing address you want on record within the state again. Then you got management, so you can choose the management type, whether that's member managed or manager managed. Then add in your first and last name, contact details, your account setup, so just create an email and a password, and then business identity, so you can get a free business domain for the first year, plus 90-day free trials for a business website, email, and phone number. Obviously, this is completely optional. You can go ahead and turn this off if you would like. Optional items are tax ID, S-Corp election with the IRS, premium mail service, trademark filing, and DBA trade name filing. And then you'll just add in your credit card and you're good to go. So again, this is kind of a do-it-for-you service that makes it just so much easier to go ahead and handle everything. Step number 3 is filing your articles of organization. Your articles of organization is the official document that creates your LLC. So to file it online, you'll also want to go to the Illinois Secretary of State's website, click Form a New Business, and choose Limited Liability Company. From there, you'll enter in your LLC, your registered agent's details, and your business address, and whether your LLC will be member managed or manager managed. Again, this is if you're doing doing it separately, if you use Northwest Registered Agent, it kind of does it all in one for you. So at the end, you'll end up paying a $150 filing fee. Filing online is faster than mailing paperwork in, and once it's approved, your LLC is official. So going back to Glow Within, this is where you'll decide if you're managing the business yourself as the sole owner, or if you want to set it up with a management structure that allows you to bring in partners later. It's a small detail that can make a big difference as your business grows. So again, those last two steps you can do via here all in one, or by going to the official website of Illinois Secretary of State. Step number 4 is creating an operating agreement. So Illinois doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but it's still smart to have one. This document outlines who owns the business, how profits are divided, and what happens if someone leaves. Even if you're a single member LLC, having an operating agreement reinforces the separation between you and your business. That separation is what protects your personal assets, and it also shows banks and potential partners that you're running your business properly. In our Glow Within case, even though you're the only member right now, let's just say you plan to bring on another coach in the future, having an operating agreement already in place just makes it easier to add a partner later and define how revenue will be shared instead of scrambling to figure it out later. Step number 5 is applying for an EIN. The next step is applying for your EIN, or Employer Identification Number. This is issued by the IRS and works like a social security number for your business. You'll need it to open a business bank account, file taxes, and hire employees. It's completely free to apply on the IRS website, and once you submit the form, you'll receive your EIN right away. If you prefer not to handle it yourself, services like Northwest, LegalZoom, and Tailor Brands will actually include this in their packages. If you want to try Tailor Brands, what you can do is use our exclusive link down in the description below. You'll choose your state. You'll click Get Started. Great choice. We can almost picture it already. Amazing. We'll continue. Then they'll ask you a couple questions like, what stage are you at? So maybe you're about to launch. When are you planning to launch? In a few weeks. What industry? Health coach. Professional services. You can add something else as well. Are you planning to hire employees? Not sure yet. Have you set an annual income goal for your business? More than 80,000. Where will Glow from Within Wellness operate from? You can type in your area code. You can also skip if you would like. We'll also add online. What else are you planning to do? So you can add some other things in here like taxes and accounting, website. But if you want to just stick with LLC, maybe add the EIN, you can do that. And then it'll ask you what you've already done. Maybe you haven't done anything and you just haven't. You want to click none of the above. Next, you can skip this. What you can do is maybe you are watching these YouTube videos you found on YouTube, and then you can go ahead and they have an option here to join a free 12-week coaching program. You can go ahead and join free or say no thanks. Then you just enter in your information. After that, you'll just follow the prompts and you'll get everything set up and ready to go, including your EIN. Okay, step number 6 is registering for taxes and licenses. After you have your EIN, you'll need to handle state taxes and licenses. If you plan to sell products, you'll register for sales tax within the Illinois Department of Revenue. If you plan to hire employees, you'll also need to register for employer withholding tax. Depending on your type of business, you may need local permits as well. For example, Glow Within eventually expands into a wellness studio that offers group fitness classes. The city might require specific health and safety permits. Taking the time now to check both state and local requirements keep you from running into problems down the road. Step number 7, filing annual reports. Every LLC in Illinois has to file an annual report. This keeps your information current with the state. Your annual report is due each year by the first day of the month in which your LLC was formed. If you started your LLC in August, your annual report is due by August 1st each year. The fee is $75 and it can be filed online in just a few minutes. Don't skip this. If you fail to file, the state can dissolve your LLC. Many registered agent services will send reminders or even file the report for you, so you never miss a deadline. Let's go over the real costs. So filing your articles of organization cost is about $150 if you reserve your business name. That's another $25 through it's optional. Each year you pay $75 for the annual report. If you use a professional registered agent, expect to pay between $100 and $300 per year through Northwest, and that does include the first year for free. Operating agreements and EINs are free if you do them yourself, or around $50 to $100 each if you use a service. Tailor Brand also offers extras like logos, websites, and business emails, which can run $100 to $300. For Glow Within, the startup cost might look like this. We've got $150 for your articles of organization, $75 for the annual report, and maybe $125 if you decide to pay for a registered agent after your first year. If you also choose to add a logo and website through Tailor Brands, that could add another $150 altogether. So realistically, you're looking around $400 in the first year and then $200 or so in the years that follow. Again, you can do this on your own. It just takes a little work and just organization. But if you want help doing this process, using Tailor Brands or Northwest registered agent can be so helpful. I've left both of those links down in the description for you if you want to check them out. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. If you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content and tutorials just like this. And that's the full walkthrough for starting an LLC in Illinois. You begin by choosing your name, appointing a registered agent, and filing your articles of organization. Then you'll set up your operating agreement, apply for your EIN, register for any taxes or licenses, and keep your business compliant by filing your annual report. Again, if you'd prefer not to do it all yourself, all of those services and links are down in the description below. That wraps up this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.